In this video, we are going to discuss the program Infix to Postfix. From main, we are receiving the expression which has to be evaluated. Result is stored in result array, and all the operators are pushed and popped from this array stack. And top is used for pointing to the stack, and result index is used for the end result. And this for loop is the main part of the function. It is going to iterate through each and every character that is present in the expression. So here, if the initial character is operand, so it may fall between small a to small z or capital A to capital Z, or it can even be digits. So all these things are taken care in this case. If it is operand, then it is directly added to the result array. And if the character that we are reading from the expression is opening parenthesis, then it is pushed into the stack. So we are pushing it into the stack. If you observe, we are doing pre-incrementation here. So top is incremented to 0, and then the character is pushed inside. And if it is closing parenthesis, then we are trying to pop everything which is there within the stack till we encounter opening parenthesis. That is what we mentioned in this while loop. And once we encounter the closing parenthesis, we are going to pop out everything till opening parenthesis is there. And opening parenthesis has to be popped out, but it can be ignored. That is taken care in line number 49. We are just decrementing the top using top minus minus, but we are not attaching that to the result. You can observe that. So in this case, we are taking care of if the character is closing parenthesis, what are we going to do? That is taken care here. So if the character is operand, we are just pushing it into the result. If the character is opening parenthesis, then we are pushing it into the stack. If the character is closing parenthesis, then we are popping out from the stack up to we encounter the opening parenthesis. Till now, these are the three conditions which are taken care. And the last condition is definitely it is an operator. If it is not operand, if it is not opening parenthesis, if it is not closing parenthesis, the left out option is only operator. So if it is an operator, we are checking the precedence. This PREC is another function which is actually returning me the precedence of that particular character. Let us go to that function as well. If you observe, whatever character that I am receiving, here in this particular function, we are checking, is that character is equal to division operator, or is this character is equal to multiplication operator? Then we are returning 2. If it is a plus or minus, we are returning 1. So here I have taken care only for these 4 operators. I did not take care of exponentiation and all those things. You can extend the program to suit even to those operators. And now this precedence, if I am sending division operator to this function, it is going to return to me as 2. If I am sending plus operator, it is going to return to me 1. This is how this function is built. So now let us see here. So in this particular case, we are checking what is the precedence of the character which we are trying to push in. If it is less than or equal to the precedence of the character which is already there in the stack, in that case, we just need to pop. We cannot push the operator inside, but from stack, we need to pop and append it to result. This is what is happening here in line number 56. So if not, if the precedence of the operator which we are trying to examine is more than the operator which is present in the stack, then it is going to be pushed inside. So from line number 52 to 59, this is what is taken care. So once we are tracing each and every character which is present in the expression, uh, that tracing activity is completed, whatever operators that are still left out in the stack, they are going to be popped out and appended to the final result. This is how this function is implemented. Hope you understood this. I'm going to share the code as well completely within the group. Thank you so much.